Hello everyone, welcome back to AGC Academy. So today is our topic about prove that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. This is the first identity in trigonometry, right? So now let us discuss about Pythagoras theorem. What is Pythagoras theorem? So hypotenuse square is equals to adjacent square plus opposite square. Adjacent square plus opposite square. So you can find here one right angle triangle. So this BC is a hypotenuse and AC is a opposite and AB is a adjacent to the theta, that is here theta angle, right? Next, coming to the sin theta formula. What is sin theta formula? Opposite by hypotenuse. What is cos theta formula? Adjacent by hypotenuse, right? So now let us write down what is the sin theta from this triangle. So sin theta can be written as opposite by hypotenuse. So this is your opposite, right? So this is your opposite and this is your adjacent and this is your hypotenuse, right? So let us substitute the values here. So first we are taking here LHS. This is my LHS and this is my RHS. So I am taking LHS and I am going to prove that is equals to RHS. Now at the LHS part is LHS is equals to sin square theta plus cos square theta is the LHS part. Alright. So let us substitute the values here. So sin square theta is nothing but what is sin theta value actually? Opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite is what here? B. Opposite is B. So hypotenuse is what here? C. So B by C. Here sin square there now. So that's the way I am writing whole square. Next plus cos theta. So cos theta adjacent. Adjacent is what is A. Adjacent is A. Next hypotenuse is what here? C. So as cos square theta is there now. So that's the reason we are writing whole square. Okay, this is your first step over. Next step, just apply the square inside. So b square by c square plus a square by c square. Right. Now here denominators are same, right? So then here denominators are same. So how can I write here? B square plus c square by, sorry, this is a square, right? So b square plus a square by c square. Okay. So now here what we can write here? So hypotenuse equals to, so opposite square and adjacent square. So in the a square plus b square, can I write c square? Yes. So c square by c square, that is equals to 1. So then we got the, so LHS equals to 1, that is our RHS. So that's all about the how to prove that sin square theta plus sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. So thanks for watching.